Here's an example of how the Z pattern works on a mock web page. So here we have this set up, and we expect people to enter in the top left-hand corner, read across on the menu bar, and the most important part of your menu bar, where you want people to take action, should be on this far right side. Then, after we're there, we then want to draw the eye down in a diagonal to the other side of the page. And here we use a headline, subheads, or some type of something that would draw attention down to here. And once we do that, then we are going to lead people in finishing out the Z pattern by following to the far right. And this is where our most important action button should happen, because this is what we want, the last thing that people see on this part of our landing page, and we want them to do something about it. And also notice we have a little arrow here to help draw people attention to an important aspect. So this is an example of how you could use the Gestalt law in your website design.